Switzerland, and Union, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Owen, and Benton, and the following counties: Clinton, Hamilton, and Warren. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. Thursday. South winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.